Good evening, all of you. So last session we discussed about the flex and the grid with just understanding purpose. And now I'm going to implementing a small application on the grid, especially grid implementation. See this part as a some portion of the Naresh IT homepage. And last session while discussing, we already said this is the grid designing only. So total 2 rows available. In every row, 3 columns are available. This is first column, second column, third column. It's a purely grid-based designing. Now the same thing I'm going to designing. You will also get an idea, oh, this is the way to implement. The same part I'm going to designing. First, identify the components. So what is this? Heading. And this one, a small thing. Image. This person, a clock, question mark, mobile computer, this building. Okay. Building, all these are the images. Next image bottom, we have some instructor lead something. It's also heading only. So this is also heading. And what about this one, sir? It's a paragraph. We can design these 3 lines of data with a paragraph. We can design this one with a heading, and we can design this small picture is an image. And this is one block. Like that, total 6 blocks, 6 division tags. And all these 6 division tags we have to place inside one more division tag, main container, with sub container. 3 items content. Image, heading, paragraph, content. This content first I'm placing in the small box. Like the total 6 boxes are produced. These 6 boxes again placing inside the main box. How it is possible, sir? Or why you are doing, sir? Today Wednesday, that's fine. Simple thing, sir. It happens in our real life also. One small scenario. Some of your friends came to your home for meet. It is just a general casual get together, not special function or party. So after a long time, 5 to 6 friends, they came to your home, a small meeting and there, 1 hour chit chat. But now your mother preparing some more snacks together generally. Mother preparing, not preparing, Zomato is there already. Swiggy is there already. Okay, they online leave it. Mother preparing at least some coffee, tea. But it's 6 persons plus you 7. But 7 people, so 7 cups required. Tea and coffee prepare in kitchen or hall? We are sitting on hall. But one by one cup? No, long time. A cup bottom saucer also available. Yes, a kappu saucer we can give one by one by one. But one by one, it's a long time. 7 cups, so at least 3 to 4 times you have to travel. The two, well, again two, seventh one. Instead of that, what we are doing? A tray we are using other. Saucer available, saucer in top, cup available, cup inside, coffee or tea or juice available, something. But all these 6 cups and saucers we are placing inside one big tray. Why, sir? Instead of 6 times transporting that side to this side to that side, in single time we can move all these cups in single time. So a tray division tag. But this tray where we are going to placing generally, maybe some teapoy or divan cot or dining table or surrounding you something available. A tabletop we are going to place. A cup, but sweet to hot. Those again separate. But it table main container. It trays a sub container. Kappu sasro, that all the things are the sub content. Content we are filling in one bowl. These all the bowls placing inside one tray. The tray we are placing on the table. Or teapot. Or in the sofa set. Or in divan cart. Or directly on the floor. If you are sitting on the floor, directly on the floor only. So it depends upon the situation, sir. That is the subtag containers, main containers alignment process. That happens in everybody's life, at least one. No, no. So the matter is that one. These three we have to place in one container. These three we have to place in one container. Like that, 6 containers are comes. And all these 6 containers we have to place in one main container. That is your main dues and tag. But now what I required, sir, images required, sir, 6 images. One option you can download from here. Right click, save images, something option is available. Save image. We can save all the images, no problem. But I have already these images. Maybe in our folder it's available already. Yes. Like a building, clock, computer, question mark, person, and laptop. Some 6 icons available. Icons ready, downloaded already. Now start the program. So first, for easiness, first dues and tag create perfectly. First container. Generally, some students how they are practicing and side by side 6 starting. The first not completed, but second also starting, third also starting. The time waste process actually. Take only one dues and tag, design that one perfectly. If it is properly output displaying a star, you can copy paste the code. Time saving and risk factor also reducing. Just copy paste the code, change the matter. Easy the process. So that's why concentration on one dues and tag first. Online students, voice okay na? Audio? Okay. So this is my first subdues in tag. Inside that, the first I need image. So img src equals to images slash icon1.png. First image displaying. This is I am starting first. Next heading required, sir. So H1 heading. CSS settings, sir. First we'll prepare the content. First content, then markup. First markup, no use. Next a paragraph is available. This paragraph also I'm going to copy. First division tag content ready. Once run it. This is an output. So we executed that one as initial output. We need so many settings for that one. Our image size, we have to reduce it. Alignments also required. Height to width also setting required. Slowly we'll apply the one by one. And next, now same content you just copy paste it. So before copy pasting, image is displaying very big size, but here we have the small size image. So what to do, sir? Apply the width and height, but not along with the tag, a time waste process. Reason is 6 images you have to display, but 6 times width to height, unnecessary. Alternative or shortcut, one option tag selector, second option class selector. So other images not available in this page, so we can go for the blindly tag selector. Even mapping also not required. If we design the class selectors, are mapping required again. So I'm preferring here image tag selector. So width of the image some 50 pixels. Height of the image some 60 I'm taking 60 pixels and image close. So once refresh the page, the required size we got it. Required size. Next, data alignment should be center. Image one corner it will come. So center of the block, image bottom heading bottom paragraph. Observe this one. And that particular box we have center or not? This is one block, particularly 5 to 10 meters centimeters area. In that area, we have the content in the center. So how to get that one, sir? Division tag alignment. That is the alignment of the division tag, not image tag. If you apply the here align equals to center, image tag only comes into center. But H1 tag not comes. So I internal 3 content I want to get into the center. Apply the alignment option for division tag. Internal 3 components are automatically comes in center. Yesterday we already designed this program, sir. I have total 5 items. 5 H1 tags displaying in the center of the box. So apply to the division tag. Which division tags are? Main division tag or subdivision tag? Subdivision tag. Why? It is subdivision tag, that one. This box is subdivision tag. Like that, you have to prepare another 5 division tags. Total these 6 we are placing inside the another division tag. So content is comes to center of the subblock. So for subdivision tag, I need one small CSS setting. Which ones are class? Because same thing I want to apply for all. Subblock. Text align center, and I'll apply some background color also, sir. So background color, I'm taking some dark blue, and foreground color also I'm going to changing to white color. We will subdivision box settings and map the same class for every subdivision tag. Class equals to subblock. Now runs box inside center. Box big size is comes, sir. But currently one column we designed, sir. If you add the more columns, automatically the size is going to reducing. That's not a matter. But first block is designed properly. Settings also done already. The next what to do, sir? Copy paste the same code now. Settings also copy pasting. First division block, second, third, 4, 5, 6. Run once now. Almost alignment is done. Only the change is content modification. Alignment is done, sir. Only the change is content modification. Images matter, we have to change. So first I'm changing the images. Icon 2.png, icon 3.png, icon 4.png, icon 5, and icon 6. Check it once. Color effect. So 6 boxes with the 6 icons. Next, data changing. The second division box. Third paragraph. So second image heading already. Next, third one also I'm going to designing. So content also ready. A gap, so 3 columns, how it will come, sir? And yesterday we already designed some program, the same settings I just copy pasted. Main division tag available, display grid is available, columns 3 columns, and margins is 2020 gap. Auto sizes. So next what, sir? But a pink color box to pink color box, middle gap available, in that gap white color displaying. Reason, sir? Background your page color. Background, not page color, sorry. Background main division tag color, that one. But tray available, cup and saucer if you are placing, sir, cup to cup the gap is comes gada. If you see in that gap, tray color is visible gada. That is your background main division tag color. But that gap also I want to fill with some colors, sir. Go to the main division tag, sir. Apply the background color. Take any of the color. Pink gada, blue na. So gaps are filling with blue. Other color you can take if you are not interested. Not a problem. Next, the last one. Top of this one, we need a small heading here. Training features. So H1 tag, training features, and it comes generally left side, but we want to get into center again. So go for the align center. Hmm. So exactly, we are not copy pasted, sir. We just observed with our knowledge. We design as per our own coding. So you can also try like this, and you will also get some more practicing. Somebody they're asking assignments, sir. I already given some suggestions to previous sessions, sir. You don't need to wait for my assignments. Open which website you likes. Take one page. In that page also total not required, like this, or 10 centimeters part or this much part. So separate that one and try to start the designing of. Like that, take the pieces. One fine day, you will get the very well practicing. If I want to give the assignment, sir, I have to do the same thing only. So you are expecting from my side only assignments, sir. I'm doing the same thing. Opening this website, screenshot available. So taking screenshot, posting in Google Classroom, design this one. And like as our programming language, write a program to check the prime number, write a program to print the Fibonacci series, write a program to check the even number, odd number, not available here. It's only creativity, designing part. Observe one web page. In that which part you like, so take the small part, not big part. Take the small pieces. One fine day, increase your capacity. This is the best way of the practicing to get the program, especially web designing. In Naresh IT website, we have over 10 assignments available. If you observe here. And next time, take this one yourself, a footer part. Blue color is there now, footer. Contact details, address details. 4 columns. Rows not available, single row, but 4 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Grid is possible and flex also possible. Grid is only 1 row, 4 columns. Flex is just directly displaying. 4 division tags. First division tag contains the address and contact number. Second division tag, these information. Third division tag, reviews. Fourth division tag, WhatsApp number, social media links, something. One assignment. Next, the second assignment, sir. This one. A background image, background color black available. The full division tag color. And this one. Grid of Flexa. Flex we can design single row, 4 columns, a single row. Next, one more assignment, sir. Images also you can display. Now I displayed the single image. In this place, a course images comes. Animations right now we don't know, sir. Normal designing is possible. Boxes clearly observed. Like as our cards it displaying. Postcards. The postcards total 5x2. These all assignments there. Because this is also assignment. Our services. Image heading side by side not comes, sir. We already worked inline block level conversion recently. Use that block level inline conversion and you can display the heading and image side by side. So this is the way to create your own assignments. The faculty also should give the same thing only. So who are waiting for my assignments only, for those, this is the information. You don't need to wait for the Shivakumar instructions. You can start your own designing. This one. Which website you like, so open that website. Go to the particular page. In that page, take the 10 centimeters part only. Exactly your hand size, sir. How much size your occupied hand size? Take that one only. Slowly increase the 2 hands. Sir. Slowly increase the assignments options, sir. Just one small point lastly. So we already designed one main block here. Bottom I need after some distance, same type of block, one more required, sir. That's not a problem. You can just copy paste this total code. Any number of blocks we can prepare it. That is I'm going to showing, nothing else. I just copied, then pasting. pasting. See this one. This type of things we are seeing in our online shopping websites. First some group of products, again some other group of products, again some other group of products. Now take here list of mobiles, list of design those 6 models or 10 models. That is also your assignment, sir. Okay. Next I'm going to starting another tag, one more tag, one more type of designing. So what is that, sir? Tables. Table. So tables also one of the using component, but not mostly using component. So some occasionally we need to use the tables. Examples are IPL points I want to display. Table ega. Your marks memo, marks sheet I want to display, sir. Table only. List of trains I want to display. Table only. List of buses, so it is also table. List of selected candidates, so a person name or something. That is also table only. Coronavirus cases count I want to display it, sir. That is also table A. In all these scenarios, we are going to using the tables. Whenever you want to display the data at the rows and columns format, tables generally required. Like as your Oracle tables or like as your Microsoft MS Office Excel is there, na? Excel sheets, rows and columns. Oracle table contains what? List of students, list of employees. Now I want to display the list of players, ICC one day rankings table. Or 10 players, player number, ranking, points, 50s, 100s, something. So these are the tables. List of banks table, EMI table. You are going to purchasing bike worth 1,50,000, interest 25,000, total EMI calculated. A table displaying or not? Every month how much amount you are paying, in that actual amount how much, interest how much, GST how much. A neatly table is comes, EMI table. When you are taking any loans, for every loan EMI table is available. Maybe I think you are not took any loans, maybe future you are going to taking bike loan or personal loan or something. Nowadays loans common point, amma. Ambani are taking loans, sir. We are normal peoples. In our Naresh IT also we have tables. One table available. Where, sir? New batches. List of new batches available. That is table only, sir. This is table. So batch name, faculty name, date, time, registration link, rows, columns available. See that one. So this is also table. The tables, how to design. Now we are going to working. So for that we have the predefined tags, sir. How many tags available, sir? Oh, 8 tags available. For only creation of tables, 8 tags available, main tags. In that 5 primary tags, 3 are the secondary tags. See the small information, what I just explained up to now. Table used to display the data in the rows and columns format. Displaying the data in the rows and columns format. Data, not HTML tags are not HTML headings. Student data, employee data, teams data, colleges list of data, or states information like this. So table is a collection of rows and a row is a collection of columns generally. Number of columns, if you group it, one row is forming. Number of rows, if you group it, one table is forming. The HTML stopping there only. Number of tables, it becomes as one database. The Oracle concept. Then how to prepare this? All the tables are. I given some list here. We can observe. Table, caption, tr, th, td,thead, tbody, tfoot. We primary tags anamata. So in this, the major tag is the table. Balance all are the supporting tags of the tables. Main tag is the table. Rest of 7 tags are the supporting of the table tag. So first comes to the table tags. What is table? It's just combining the rows and columns. Generally what we are thinking, sir, table tag is drawing the table. It's general feeling, sir. But table tag not drawing any table. I'll show in practically also. If we have already some rows and something columns, I can merge all those things. I can group it all those things. But I'm not going to drawing any table. A tag nature I'm saying. It's just combining the rows and columns. But if I use only table tag, what happens, sir? Empty page comes, sir. Table open, table close. Run this program, sir. Blank pages comes. That is what I said. It's not drawing the table. Next, what is the caption, sir? Table main heading. IPL points table. The column heading, main heading. Column heading, main heading. Marks report. Particular column heading or main heading? Main heading. That main heading we can produce by using the caption tag. Caption of this table. The main heading of the table. Next, I want to draw the rows, sir. For the tr tag is available. To draw a row horizontally, tr tag is available. How many rows it is drawing, sir? Only one row. One tr tag, one row only. I need 100 rows, sir. Repeat the tag 100 times. Yesterday example, division tag we repeated or not? Repeated. H1 tag we repeated or not? Like the tr tag is also repeating. Simple thing. One tr tag is able to draw only one row. The matter. Next, th, sir. Table heading, full form. But don't misunderstand, sir. The column heading, sir. Table heading I already explained in the second line. The table heading. But again, table heading, how it will comes? It's a heading of the column. But tag name, they produce it like that. So if you follow this name, little bit confusion. Full form table heading, but purpose to set the headings for column. Serial number, name, contact number, email ID. These are the called as column headings. That column headings we can produce by using the th tag. Those column headings. Next, td, sir. Filling the data in the rows and columns. Table data. TD is nothing but an table data. So I want to fill the student information. 1 RAM 98850 A data I want to fill it, sir. For that we are using the TD. These are the major 5 tags for drawing of the table. Rest of tags using or not purely depends upon our interest. But these 5 tags are compulsory, sir. TH missing, a column heading missing. TD missing, a data name missing. TR missing, a horizontally drawing rows is not possible. Caption missing, sir. A table meaning missing. Table tag is missing, sir. Total missing. Because you designed these all the things individually. After designing of all these things individually, we have to group up these all the things. A grouping is called as a table. Next, what about this table? T head, T body, T foot, sir. table head, table head, table body, table foot. Footer of the table, header of the table, content of the table. MS Word, you know that all of you. This is already MS Word document. Could a header available in this document? Header document lo available. Footer available? Available. MS Word, sir. So this is page. I will get the header part, the body, and bottom of the body footer part is comes. In general, in header part, footer part, what happenings are your college name or your material name, your project name, we are printing generally. The same matter is continues to all pages in the document. When institute materials not observed, Java material or .NET materials, when your college in no documentations or materials, nothing. In a page top, your college name is comes. Bottom of the page is subject name, page number it will comes. Generally designed in MS Word. Okay. The head, the body, the foot. Table also contains the three parts. If you want to divide the table into three pieces, these tags are going to helping. So which is the header part that we are representing with the T head, which is the original content body part that we are representing with the body, which is the footer part that we are representing with the T foot. Is it compulsory? Yes, sir. I just said this a few minutes back. It's not compulsory. But if you need any coding simplifications, especially while applying of this CSS, we can go for this. Otherwise, it's not compulsory. Without these also we can manage. But table contains the three parts, header, body, and footer. But header part, I need some special CSS settings, sir. Footer part, I need some special CSS settings, sir. But what are the settings you required? Just apply on the T header. T head inside how much content available, that all the contents following the same CSS pattern. The matter. And apply the CSS and T footer tag. T footer inside how much content available, the total content is following the same style of CSS settings. I don't want those things, sir. Just remove it. It's not a matter. But how can manage the same things, sir? Individually you have to apply. Row by row, column by column, individually we have to apply the settings. And if you use this one, group wise applying is possible. A group of rows becomes as a head, group of rows becomes as a body, group of rows becomes as a footer. It is generally. When you apply the styles and footer, a group of rows impacted that one. The footer section not available, but this group of rows, individually we have to map the CSS settings. Either class select row, ID select row, something required. So applying the common styles for the header part, applying the common styles for the body part, applying the common styles for the footer part, these tags are going to helping. No, sir, top to bottom, I need the same style, sir. Chhod do. Simple. That's why I said these are the first five, the primary, and these are the secondary, and I clearly mentioned that is the reason. Next, total 8 tags. Observe the typing order, sir. As per my typing order, are you found any information? Are you identified anything? What? Capital letters, sir. Not capital letters. Small letters, sir. Capitals, smalls, no. Think big. Huh? Gaps, sir. Main tag, sub tag, and clues I'm giving here. Table is the main tag. Table sub tag, caption and TR. TR sub tags, TH and TD. A gap maintenance observed. The first example of our HTML, I'm following daily gaps. Even the last example also gap I'm maintaining always. And I said the starting days also design the programs always with indentation or indent. That is a good technique for designing of the programs. Starting days I suggested. Still, if anybody not following, immediately change your way of typing. Without indentation, if you type the program, it's a very bad way of practicing. Very bad way of practicing, frankly speaking, if you are hurting also. Even the dummy examples also I'm maintaining always spaces. Not observed, 28 examples. 28 examples I used indentation. So this is main tag, gap, subtags. And this is the main tag and these are the subtags. So TH, TD are the subtags of the TR and caption and TR is the subtags of the table. But what about the T head, T body, T foot? Subtags of table tag. Because the formation matching, see this one. So that is giving the which is the main tag and which is the subtag and what is the order to type also. When you are designing the tables, first table tag starting. Table tag next caption tag is starting. Caption tag next TR tag is starting. TR next TH is starting. Same sequence you should follow. If I'm not followed, sir, table comes Voltano, something like that. And the next one, but all these 8 tags, what is the nature, sir? All are pair tags. 8 tags are opening, closing, compulsory required, pair tags. And what about the block and inline, sir? Except these 2 tags, rest of all are the block level tags. 8 tags are the pair tags. Plus, except the TH, TD, balance 6 tags are the block level tags. But what about the TH and TD, sir? Inline tags. TH, TD, side by side the printing data. Observe. First column heading, second column heading, besides of that one. Third column heading, besides. So if it is inline, then only side by side it is providing. These are the information about your tables. And what are the document I uploaded in the Google Classroom link? Document also over. 31 pages notes I already uploaded in Google Classroom. 31 pages explanation with this one completed. But what about, sir? Second document comes in tomorrow. And part 1 of HTML over. Part 2 of HTML tomorrow maybe it's going to starting. Part 2 completely different purpose. Part 1 purpose different to part 2 purpose different. Starting days, remember HTML introduction. HTML used for designing of the web pages. Web pages, why we are designing, sir? What is the use of web page? What is the purpose of web page? Yes, data presentation. Second point, data sharing, nothing but data presentation. That's 1 point. Second advantage of web pages. Two advantages I explained. HTML used for designing of the web pages. Web pages are used for data presentation. Somebody they said, also called as data sharing. Second purpose. Second purpose here. Forms. Forms some pronunciation available. UI, user interfaces. The second purpose is designing of UIs, user interfaces, nothing but a data entry screens I explained here, that one. And with this table topic, data presentation completed. We are sharing the data to users in different formats. Blocks wise, rows wise, columns wise, table wise, paragraphs, headings, images wise, anchor tags wise, bulleting styles, numbering styles, variety models. Next topic onwards, designing of the forms. Enter username, enter password, enter something, boxes available, application forms, That is your second part. Sir, our subject purpose, data presentation and user interface. Which course you are learning as course purpose? No idea, sir. Don't feel anything. Learning of course waste only. What is the use? A purpose and no idea. Why you are learning? If anybody asking outside the same question, I am anti or faculty kabatti manku mutual understanding available. Others aithe top to bottom seeing and laughing also. Confirm. So don't make the situations. Correct or not? 1 month or 20 days onwards, you are attending Naresh IT Technologies. One of your relative or cousin are asking, what you are doing, Suresh? I'm learning UI Technologies, Naresh. Abbo. Which course you are attending? HTML. Oh, what is the use of HTML? Shivkumar not explained. And in that situation, if you are not answered any properly, a cousin or your super senior or your relative or somebody is there, they're trying to conformly blaming you. The cousin's nature, conform. Their nature is that one. Because they're already working. We are freshers, so always one small type of feeling available. So don't give that chances. Now, first I'm designing a small and sample table. Table opens and table close. What happens, sir? Nothing happens, sir. An empty page is going to display. That's all. Few minutes back, this is what I explained. Table tag, not designing any table officially. If you have already some rows, I'm just grouping and displaying like as a table. Then rows, so lines coming horizontally, vertically, lines are nothing else. After TR, TH tags only that it will comes. So inside that, first I'm going to using the TR. Why TR, sir? First row of the table. This is first row of the table. Generally in first row, we have data, headings are headings available. So take the TH. First column, sir, serial number, TH close. Second column, sir, name of the student, TH close. Third column, sir, contact number, okay. So third column, phone number, and TH is close. First row ready with the headings of the columns. Now we can run it, sir. You will get the output like this. Horizontally, because inline tag. TH, TD inline tag, so side by side it will comes. Lines missing, sir. If you need lines, special separate attributes required. By default, table not drawing any lines. I need lines, sir, for easy understanding of the data, sir. Attributes needed. I'll show you next explanation. One row completed, headings row. Next, data I want to print it, sir. TR. Second row started. Data TD. So serial number 1, name of the student. TD, sorry. So Pragati Patil, TH, TD close. And contact number. Fancy number required, okay, 9090909090. This is the first row, first student details. So serial number, name and contact number. Next, second student records, sir. Just copy paste the same content and change the student details. Total 3 records. Data changing required, sir. Serial number 2, serial number 3. So 98856, 98856. Something number. Next one 987, 987, 9870. Why, sir? Why is what happened? Disturbances, sir. Yeah. Dasari Manoj. So 3 student details we displayed, sir. And you will get the final output like this. And height of the table, width of the table, it decided based on your content. Data available point of view. That's a first student name, some long name is available. Observe now occupation space. And if you have the more space, more names are Patil. You go from here to here, this is total second column only. So automatically it's adjusting the size, width of the table, height of the table based on your data length. So that is not a problem for us. You don't need to worry about sizes. How much content available based on the content existing, like as your flex concept. Flex also sizes automatically adjusting others. So here also the same thing. See, the actually tables are, but not look like as table. Reason lines missing. Whenever the lines comes, then only we also getting the feeling, hey, it's a table only. So how to get the lines are? Activate one special attribute, sir, border, HTML attribute. Just activate the border. Automatically we'll get the black color double line border. Black color double line border is comes automatically like this. Inbuilt option. Now we have the clear feeling that it's a table. Now really size is increasing or not. You will get the clear picture. See that now. Column width increased. So auto content sizes. This is simple and basic table designing without any colors, without any alignments or settings or etc. etc. We just given one small setting, that is borders only. The rest of all the things are inbuilt only. Border only I just activated, sir. Rest of all are the inbuilt. Next, I'm going to designing one more table, but this table we want to implement some CSS settings also, because ordinary table over already. If you prepare any data, the table look comes like this only. I need something effective tables are with the different colors or different shades, etc. Sir, design the table and apply the CSS. So HR I'm drawing horizontal line, and we are starting a fresh table here. So what is table, sir? Our new batches information available on Naresh IT website. At that data I'm going to designing here. So first we'll copy the data. Data copying code is designed by us only. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Data ready. Alignments required go there a little bit. PR TH. What is first one? Course. Second one, faculty. Third one, date. Fifth one, time. Sixth one, Zoom meeting link available. But my links copying and time taken process. So I'm just stopping with the time. Which course, who is the faculty, and when it is starting, and what is the timing of that one. All available properly. So first row is ready with all headings. Then second row, sir. TD. So full stack, data science and AI. With a very big record it will comes. Okay. TD close and TD Mr. Arjun Srikanth. Next another TD 9th March. Next one more TD 9 p.m. and TR close. So first row is ready. Then second row. By mistake anywhere I typed code wrongly, try to inform immediately. Well, after execution of the program, we have to spend some time for that one, a time wasting process. So online students, so few minutes, no sound, sir. I'm just aligning the data, not explaining anything. Don't get any tension, BP, sugar. Hmm? Huh? Extra TDA. Where? Okay, okay, okay. So basic data ready. We'll check once. If any mistakes available, table not comes properly. I hope it's designed properly only. We'll activate the border. No mistakes in the code. By chance, any mistake available or tags are not opened properly, not closing properly, shape changing automatically. Uniformly, not like this. Like as our sitting order, one row forward, one row backward, it will comes. The properly shape is maintaining in the sense there is no problem in the code. Basic table ready, sir. Next, one by one setting we are going to apply. So first of all, for this table, I need the main heading. What is the main heading, sir? New batches or list of new batches. Heading required. So how to produce the heading, sir? By using caption tag. Caption. So list of new batches and caption close. And where this caption is going to displaying, sir? Top of the table. Here it will comes. Top of the table. But displaying normally, sir. I mean, ordinary format. Now, CSS settings, so many pending is there. I designed this table especially for applying of CSS. Like this, the previous table also same and no problem. Next, table width especially a little bit congested and a feeling. Rows and data is comes very closely, sir. Can I get some free space, sir? Apply the width of the table. Apply the width of the table. So width equals to some 60%. Know the percentage meaning? Yesterday we discussed that one. So how much browser width is available? In that 60% width the table occupying. So my browser width is 1000 pixels, sir. Table comes to 600 pixels. What is the benefit, sir? Yesterday practically shown, sir. Whenever the browser size increasing, this content is also adjusting automatically. Exactly yesterday we discussed this one in grid concept. But now data comes a little bit freely. Then headings only default center it will come, sir, because of the headings nature. Data comes always in the left side only. Data always displaying in the left side of your columns. So headings only comes in the center because of the reasonable and required also. Next what, sir? Table I want to get into center, sir. The total table I want to get into center. So for that, align equals to center is there. The total table shifting to center of the your web page. Center hai. Next what, sir? CSS settings required. So what are the CSS settings, sir? Headings available. Headings I need separate color combination. Background color different to foreground color different to balance all the data, background color, foreground color different. The data in one format to headings in another format. Why, sir? Attractiveness, a common thing. Headings also we can display like as data, sir. Users getting confusion. Headings should be displayed always as a something specially. Data displayed in the normal format. There also you can apply the color. That is not a problem. Because CSS coding required. Go to the top of the program. Start the style. What do you want? First table settings. First table. The total table setting I'm going to apply. One is width. I already implemented. So I shifted to this one. 60%. Here I'm deleting that. Next, background color of the table. Background color. When I apply the table background, sir, full table color changing. Total page not changing, sir. Only table color changing. How much area table occupied, that much of area color changing like this. Top side also. Reason, what is this selector? Tag selector, so that is effect. Now my explanation changing, sir. I'll change to ID selector. Table 1. Because other table I don't want to affect it. So that's why ID equals to table 1. Now my table only comes like this. Next, data of the table, sir. A color, data color. So we'll go for the blue. Yellow and blue. The data table. Now comes to the headings. Headings, I need different patterns are again. So for only heading row, we have to write one separate selector. Can I go for TR? TR okay na? No. If you write the TR, all TRs are affecting. But we want to apply to only headings. Only headings row. So go for again ID selector. Head hyphen row. And only headings rows, how it will comes, we are defining. If I write the TR, it becomes as a tag selector. But how many rows available in our table, that all rows are affecting. I don't want that one. Only headings part only I want to affect it. So that's why ID selector heading row. What is the background colors are? Reverse of the table. Actual table concept reversely I am taking here. And map it. The TR ID equals to this is mapping to first row of the table. Now you will get the output like this. So headings a different style and data is different style. Yellow, blue, blue, yellow, ulta process. Next what? But colors we applied together. Now remove the borders. After applying the colors, borders always giving odd look. Before colors, borders giving better look. But once the colors applied, sir, immediately remove the borders, you will get the better look also. So my feeling, this is better look. If you feel that is better look, you can continue that one. No problem. The reason colors available, you can easily observe the data. That's not a problem. Next, any changes? Heading. Main heading available. This main heading, I need a small attractive designing. So the main heading is caption tag. In this program, I have only one caption. So can I go for tag selector? Yes, because we have only one caption only. Multiple captions available, compulsory ID selector required again. What to do captions? Color, which color? Blue, yellow, we already used. Red. Next, with the size increasing required. Font size. Size kada 30 pixels. List of new batches. If you apply the background colors, it is also look like as a bar, one bar style looking. If you apply the background color, Because see that indentation, I'm maintaining an ATA. You can observe that one. Always I'm using indentation. Red కదా ఏమిద్దాం బ్లాకా డామినేటింగ్ total. This is the actual look, sir. The original look. Up to now you watch it just as a magnifier look. Black to red కొద్దిగా effect getting, sir. Light color you can go for better. So table ready. Table data, it's getting very small size. Data very small size is displaying. So better increase the size of the table also. Table inside also write the font size. Indirectly table inside how much data available, the total data size we are going to increasing to 22 pixels or 20 pixels. Let us very small size displaying, sir. Something better compared to previously. Next, I'm trying one more option. If it is working, okay. Otherwise, next example, I'll show that one. Generally, in our websites, if you observe the tables, when you are moving the mouse pointer, color changing. Observed? IPL tables changing, sir. Cricket players one-day ranking and T20 rankings also changing. Even Naresh IT new batches list also. If you are moving the mouse pointer, like as our hyperlinks available, whenever the mouse comes, hyperlink color changing. Like that, table row color also changing. Not observed? Boys, cricket matches full కదా and full. That I'm trying to implement now. So what is that one, sir? It's called as H over. Recently somewhere I explained that one. Anchor tags explanation anukunta. Menu we designed the horizontal menu. Whenever the mouse comes, the color is going to changing. So hover H over. So what is this hover, sir? It's one of the CSS selector. We know 3 selectors already: ID selector, tag selector, and class selector. Total 10 selectors here. In that, this is the 4th selector. What is the name of these selectors, sir? Pseudo selectors. Pseudo selector. So H over is one of the CSS selector, not attributes, sir. It's a CSS selector. So which type of selectors are? Pseudo selector. Pseudo selector. What is the purpose, sir? H over in the sense hand over. H in the sense hands are over. Let the mouse pointer whenever comes over your tag like this. If you want to do something, sir, changing the appearance or changing the size or reducing the size, you want to make it anything, write that code inside the H over. But what are the changes you are expecting the mouse comes on to the particular tag? A change is related, all the CSS code right here in these curly brackets. See, sir, in our websites we have that one. These are all hyperlinks only. Groceries, so mobiles, all are hyperlinks. Get the mouse pointer, color changed. Black actually blue changed. Again, if I come out, sir, black comes. Again, if you come in, sir, blue. So H over, hand over the component, should be displayed as a separate appearance. Whenever the mouse pointer comes out, sir, restores the original style. A restoring logic, we don't need to write it, the browser responsibility. Mouse pointer pointing on your tag, what you are expecting, write that in the CSS concept. You see that here we'll get the blue box. Dark blue box is coming, observed. Login. Now light blue, get it? Dark blue. This is also H over only. So syntax, sir. Syntax like this: colon, hover, open curly bracket, closing curly bracket. The selector name ready made, that one. Previous knowledge, we are using our own names: ABCD, I1, I2, C1, C2, C3. Here the name of the select is a predefined. Here you can make it your changes: property colon value, property colon value, property colon value. So how many properties you required? Write that number of properties. But now this H over is affecting to which tags are? Colon H over settings available. Okay, now this one should be applied on some of the HTML tags. Which tag are details available? No, we just mentioned H over. The table H over are headings are division tags are, we are not applied anything. So a tag clarity requires that right here tag name. Before the colon, you have to write your tag name. Apply this H over effect to only the particular tag only. Otherwise, ID name. ID name also we can write it. Otherwise, class name. To whom you want to map this H over, write the tags related names. To whom you want to map this H over, a tag corresponding name, or the tag ID name, or the tag class name. If I am not developed anything, sir, entire page is affecting, sir. Colon before, if you are not mentioned anything, the total page is affecting. Headings, BR tags, HR tags, paragraphs, labels, images, hyperlinks, everything is affected. I'll show also effective, we can wait. Everything I don't surrender, then write your tag name, or write your ID selector name, or write your class selector name. So now it is impacted to the corresponding tags only. Now go to here, H over. I want to change the colors, sir. Suppose which color? Pink color I want to change, magenta. Colon H over. So a browser, they have any clarity? Shivakumar developed the H over to whom? No, it's implementing to the entire page. Ready? A table color changes, see that one. This table color also changes, see that one. Like that, wherever it goes, that every tag is going to changing like this. Workings are programmed, but all are changing. It's the reason we are not giving the guideline to system properly. Then only it is changing to everything. So right here, TR. What is meaning? Whenever the cursor comes onto the TR, then only the changes are happens. But not only colors are, I want to make something different changes. Already blue, yellow is there. Kada? Red, white, I'll take it. Time up. Arre. See na? This is effect. Now you never see na this one in websites. Even your Gmail also we have these ones. Are 100 mails available? Whenever moving the mouse, a one mail highlighted. What is the purpose? Time pass kada? అంటే ఆల్రెడీ టైమ్ ఇంకా అనదర్ 10 minutes టైమ్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఎస్టర్డే నైట్ వాట్ ఐ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ద టోటల్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్. మళ్ళీ స్టిల్ 15 minutes టైమ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఫర్ ద టైమ్ పాస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్. Yesterday night, how much content I prepared, the total content quickly finishing. But still session time 15 minutes available. Early stopping, no. So that's why 10 minutes, 15 minutes and time passing like this. This already discussed topic. It actually for user convenience we are using this one. But 100 records available like this, right? But 21st record you are reading. 21st record you are reading. So started the head and eyes from the 21st first column. You are slowly rotating. What happens? 19th moving your interference not available. You are automatically moving to 19th record. Doubt, huh? 90% it happens, sir. You have lot of concentration, attention, and then only you are not diverting to another record. Huge amount of records available in that particular center record you are reading. When you are moving the head left to right direction, slowly eyes go into the upper record or lower record. That's the moving problem on one. So that's why for easy reading of the users, we are giving this one. Now eyes are diverting. No, just following the color. So no gambling operations, no jumbling operation here. Uniformly and proper data, we can watch it. So which record you want to read it? Place the cursor on that record, just read the information. So this is H over operation. Maximum cases, we have this one in our tables. So this is table and this is also table. But the table to this table, we have so much of difference. There's so many days we are discussing that. The only HTML is HTML with CSS. Without markup is with markup. Okay, balance options we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.